In this tutorial, I am going to walk you through how to design cosmetic banner in Photoshop. So let's start our work. Go to File, select New, and input your width should be 8 inches, your height should be 4 inches, your resolution should be 200, and then your color mode, leave it to RGB color mode and hit on OK. Now from there, come to your zoom tool and fit this to the screen like this. Now come to your background layer, drag this and make a duplicate of that. Come to FX and go to gradient overlay. Open this, and then let's input the color code 00267 over there. Let's say 006267 and hit on OK. Now let's come here, input the color code 4F107C and hit on OK. Now come to the style and change the style to radial, and then from there let me scale it. Let's scale it out a little bit so you get something like this. Okay, now move it and position it over here. Okay, now you can then hit on OK like this. So from there, go to your file and go and place the images. Okay, now let me bring in my first background image, and then let me open this up like this to fill the entire sheet, then hit on OK. Go to your blending option and choose soft light so you get something like this. Now let me reduce the opacity for this. So I'll put the opacity at 15. Okay, then this is good for me. The next thing I'll do is I'll go to my file, go to place, and bring in my first image. Bring in your first image like this, then hold down Shift and Alt, position this at this place like this, position it at that place like this. Go back to file, go to place again, and then bring in this very picture as well. Now rasterize this and pick a magic wand tool, remove the background for this. Alright, then from there let me reduce the size for this. Reduce the size to something like this. Then let's position this at this place like this. Go back to your file, go to place again. You can then bring in this one, reduce the size for this, also like this. Reduce the size again like this. Position it over there. Go back to your files and bring in the next picture, this one. Also reduce the size for this one too, so that you get something like this. Position this one to over here. Go back to your file, bring in this picture, now reduce the size for this one too, like this, and position this at this place. Now let me send this one to the top a bit. Okay, then let me select all of them and then position them like this, firmly over there. Then I can then group them. Ctrl J to group. Then you said images. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do is go to your type tool, pick your type tool and type the new arrival, and you hit on OK. Now reduce the size of this to this size, bring it to this place, go back to your shape tool, pick this shape, make a shape like this, and then change the color for that shape. Okay, hit on OK, bring this on top, alright. Now let me select my type tool again and type the good shop. Now open this up, open it up like this. Now select this and then input the color code DAA52 over there and hit on OK, hit on OK. Ctrl J to duplicate that. Then select your type tool again and then type the cosmetics. Now open this and change the font color to this and hit on, and the code is DAA5 and hit on OK. Now let's reduce the size for this. Let me reduce it again to 27. Okay. Select the two and center them properly. Guys, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Okay, then the next thing is duplicate this again. And type in we offer all kinds of cosmetic products. Okay, now let me change it from there to bold, and then let me close the gap. Let me close it one more time. Okay, then change the color from this to white. Then reduce this again. Reduce this like this. Bring it to the down. Duplicate this again and bring it to the down like this, and say order now, and hit on OK. Reduce the size like this. Duplicate this, Ctrl J to duplicate that. Pick your type tool again and put down the telephone number 024 267 8921. Kindly subscribe if you are new to the channel. Kindly subscribe. Okay, hit on OK. Alright. Then Ctrl J again to duplicate this. Then let me pick my type tool and then put down the location, and let me put down the bring it to the down like this. Go to your file and place the location icon like this. Close it up to something like this. And bring it to this end. Now change the color from black to this color DAA5 and hit on OK. Okay, now let me change this. Okay, alright, so the next thing I'm going to do at this point is that I'm going to go to your file, go to place again, and then bring in this picture, close it up a bit like this. close this up again. Okay, and put it here. Go back to your file, select place, close this up again, and then bring it and position this one to at this place. So you get something like this over here. Click on OK. Now from there, go and pick your rounded rectangle, pick your shape tool and make a rectangle like this. Okay, then Ctrl J to duplicate this and send it to the inside like this. Now let's change the color for this to white and click on OK. Go back to your file, go to place, bring in the logos, reduce the size like this. Okay, right click on this and create clipping mask. Go back to file, go to place, go to pick this one, position this one over here. Right click on that and create clipping mask. Go back to your file, place this, and bring this one to in like this. Go back to file, bring this, close it up a bit and bring this in. Okay, now let's go back and place the last one. Okay, alright, so from there what we are going to do next is let me go to my and select gradient map, then pick this, reduce the opacity for this and leave it on 2. Alright guys, that is the design for us. That is the design. Let me know at the comment section what your thoughts about this design. See you in my next video. Bye bye.